Alright, we're gonna pull in real quick, talk to the people, because we got some goodies for y'all. This is about to change up the whole exhaust note on it.
Yeah, looks good.
Looks good, huh? Start of the morning, man. You got some Nismos on us, you guys see it. My hair's looking good. Henry's on bumper duty. This boy's on blast pipes. Oh, I got a cannon on him. Locked and loaded. Big things coming for the Accord right now. We're gonna slap the bumper off and tell you guys exactly why we're taking the bumper off. Can you tell us why we're taking the bumper off sooner?
K20 swap.
Whiskey's K20 swap. Talk to the people, brother. Talk to the people.
And this is the goal we're going for today.
This is what we're going for. Tucking. Oh damn, that should look fire.
That should do look fire. Hey, man, Henry?
We don't leave it like that. Approved.
You're not talking? We're not fucking.
Bumper's coming off. We are going to be getting this boy set with some blast pipes, but in order to get it in, it's safe to play no bumper on.
No bumper?
We beat the construction workers out today. We are out here grinding with them side by side. K20 swap, the tuner down here, trying to figure out why this car is leaking oil. For real? Just kidding, we're not leaking. This guy is a technician. Mr. Johnson, why are my tires crooked? Quick rundown. So if you guys are ever wondering how to take the bumper off, clips on top, 2 right here, 2 right there, all the clips along the top side, and then all the clips on the bottom side, and your fog light connectors on the side. I think we should just leave it like this, drift build.
Hey, fuck it.
Approved?
Hey, angle kit, everything. It's approved.
It's approved.
You get intercooler?
Yep. Updated intercooler. We'll do a front mount intakes. We can do it all.
Shit.
Let us know down in the comments. Should we keep the car like this? Looks kind of like a drift build. We're about to toss this bumper in the recycling bin and just call it a day. Bumper's off. This thing looks like it's just a drift build. Next stop, the shop. We got first class services here all day long. First stop, Starbucks, and then the shop for the blast pipes. Yeah, this should look tough, brother. Flick it up. This is the spot. All right, we're gonna pull in real quick, talk to the people, tell them we're natives and they should hook us up immediately because we got some goodies for y'all. Y'all better stay tuned. Y'all don't want to miss it. Officially made it, y'all. Now, that being said, if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Just pull up to the shop. Shout out to Johnson for the Starbucks. For every like, for every subscription, we will help these 4 gentlemen behind me find a soft mattress because they've been working on their backs all day long. You guys take a quick good look at it. I was telling homie Quad Tips, this boy wants blast pipes. I think it'll stand out good now that he's got the triple chrome, the clears. It's gonna change out the rear to a more aggressive look. We shall see, we shall see. We love y'all. Too low. Let us know what you guys think about this car with no bumper. Should he just leave it like that? I think it looks like a drift build. All right, so we're pulling in right now. Cleared that. Now the magic. Talk to the people, brother. Talk to the people. What do we got today? Give them the rundown.
Some blast pipes.
We got some blast pipes in stock. We got in here. We got the extendo clip. Some light. Oh, we should have done is got some revs before and after. I just realized that. We should have done it before and after. Just get an idea of what a stock exhaust sounds like as opposed to what this is going to sound like. Am I right, Theo? Yes, sir. He approves. Quick rundown for you guys. But go down, drop a comment, let us know. Are we making the right move? Would you guys do this to your car if you had this exact setup? I for sure approve the actual resonator. This is about to change up the whole exhaust note on it. Not too raspy.
These are outside. In the bumper. This one.
The true technician talking now. Talk to the people, brother.
We better get cracking.
We better be cracking for sure. As I was stating, car is pretty much stock in regards to exhaust. After that, we're taking out the original resonator. We're putting in the, what is it? Aero.
Yeah.
Aero 8E exhaust. Give you guys a review on it, my friend. But that's pretty much it on that end. So it's going to be stock down our stock cat, upgraded resonator, and then muffler delete with the blast pipes. Looking good, brother. So stock resonator's coming out. First cut has been made. How you feeling, sir?
Sheesh! That's all I
excited.
gotta say.
Excited. New resonators going on. Boy is test fitting right now. You gotta tell this boy he's about to shoot flames. But like I said, stock one is out. It should make a drastic change. Should give it some type of rasp, even some pops if anything. But we will see. We will see once it's off and on.
Yeah.
Okay.
A little bit higher if you can,
Come on.
Okay.
so you don't scrape.
Oh, no, I don't think I'll scrape because.
I mean, look, that's all you have.
Oh shit. A little bit, yeah, a little. No mames. No mames, wey. No mames. Talk about I won't hit, huh, brother?
First well is going on. Quick feelers. Not gonna lie, I'm excited for this. It's about to be a dope outcome. He approves. Approved. Look at this boy cooking right now, man. But shout out to Theo, putting in that work right now. Let him know. We just got hit with the bill. Oh, this boy's sponsored, brother. You say one for each of your homeboys. I'm gonna put it right where it belongs. But now they are doing the mufflers, so blast pipes incoming. All right, first one's out. Brother, is it a boy or a girl?
The boy.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
First one out, waiting on the second one.
Big boy.
It's a big boy, brother. This boy's healthy and strong as ever. Let us know, you guys, what you guys think. So first blast pipe on, quick test fit. Get yourself an idea of what it's looking like. This guy's doing great work. He approves.
That shit's fire.
Back in business.
We good.
Good. Quick rundown. Blast pipes both on. Resonator on. Only thing left, bring this boy down, get a quick cold start. I think the big thing is definitely one, how it sounds, and two, what it's gonna look like from a higher angle now that we have these blast pipes protruding. What do you guys think? Drop comments down below. Did we make the right move? Should we have gone with more poke? Should we have gone with some tilt? Should this guy have bought an M4? Let us know. Let us know. Yes, sir. Boys, better turn it on, see what this thing sounds like. Okay. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's pretty subtle. Nothing crazy right now. We're gonna pull it out, maybe get some revs, some flybys, and all that. Shout out to tuners. Chilling. What do y'all think about these freaking shotgun barrels? This boy got the pump action right now. Hey, all in all though, I think it ties in well. Now we just gotta let this thing warm up so we can get some revs and all that good stuff. This boy needs a bigger turbo.
Bigger turbo.
Turbo and all. Clutch without the bumper for sure. What do you think, my friend? Looks good or what?
Yeah, looks good.
Looks good, huh?
Yeah.
I told him. Y'all heard it, approved. Go ahead. Guy's officially tuned. All right, but we're gonna pull it out and then we'll go get a POV interior cabin shots. Oh you. Hold on, taxi, wait. Go ahead. Oh you, tuner, oh you. This boy, I'm telling y'all, shotgun barrels out here, man. This boy's ready to fly. Copyright, brother, copyright.
Copyright, brother.
We'll get a quick highway pull in for you guys. Some words before the pull, brother, some words.
It's good. Not too loud, not too crazy.
Nothing crazy, you guys. Resonator, muffler delete with blast pipes.
Something like.
If y'all like the setup, we will be dropping the link down below. For now, quick highway pull. Hey guys, so we came to Home Depot, grab some material, but quick rev for y'all. Not bad at all, you guys. So no rash, nothing crazy. I mean, we're probably gonna have to play around with the exhaust for a bit and see if we can get some pops or something. Quick reviews on this thing. This guy's show ready. But sir, these boys making sure it's 100% perfect. That being said though, pretty much rounding down the video, I think the setup looks sick. I think it came out perfect. He is ready for the shows. He's ready for car meets. He's ready for all of that stuff. Only thing we got left is we're gonna lower the car, and I believe we're gonna, well, obviously we're gonna slap on the front bumper. As of right now, Home Depot or Lowe's is the move. That being said though, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Keep it authentic, y'all. Until the next one, peace.